Well, yes, so ABFRL or Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited is going to be in focus today on the back of its demerger. ABFRL will be demerging into two listed entities. One is ABFRL and the second one, the demerged entity, is going to be called Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands Limited or ABLBL. The demerger ratio for the same is 1:1, which means every existing shareholder of ABFRL will get one share of ABLBL for every one that they hold already in the company in ABFRL on the record date, which is today. So that's important to note. The rationale behind this, the management has said that this will allow sharper focus on individual business strategies, and the demerger will help unlock existing shareholder value by discovering individual the price discovery of individual entities as well. The road ahead for ABLBL, remember when the company had their analyst meet about a month ago, Nuvama had come out with a report, and this is what the structure going ahead is going to look like. The demerged ABLBL will house Madura Fashion, Louis Philippe, American Eagle and Reebok. The management aims to double the current top line by FY30, growing at 11% CAGR. They also aim to make this demerged entity a dividend distributing company. And upon this demerger, ABLBL will have a debt of 7 billion rupees, that's approximately 700 crore, that the company aims to repay over the next 2 to 3 years. What's going to happen for the existing company? The road ahead for ABFRL, following the demerger, ABFRL will house pantaloons, ethnics, luxury retail and the digital first brand TMRW. They will also be housing designer-led brands like Shantanu and Nikhil, Sabyasachi, House of Masaba and Tarun Tahiliani. And going ahead, ABFRL will have a debt-free balance sheet and net cash of anywhere between 1200 and 1300 crore post the demerger. So that's what the structure is going to look like going ahead. But well, yes, the record date for this demerger and spin-off is today.